Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my very first video. So if you don't know, my name is Mackenzie and today will be my dorm room tour. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, everything, because I will be posting more content very soon and you don't want to miss it. Bye!
Every time I try to resist you, you can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with another day. All I wanna hear is the images I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
So when you first walk in, this is how it looks. So when you first walk in, you have this long body mirror, and then on the doorknob is just my bathroom key, because I do live in the dorm that has community bathrooms, which is actually not that bad if I'm being honest. So if you come over here, I just have this long wall of pictures with all my friends and family. All the people that are like super important to me are on this wall. So if you're not on this wall, I'm just playing. But the only person not up here that should be is Raven. So yeah. And then I just have my towel rags down here. There's no towels on them because I'm moving out and everything's dirty. I have my scale, my chair, and this pillow. The reason this chair actually came with the dorm, it was the desk chair, but I like this one better. I got this from Target. But yeah, anyway, so this is my desk. And I covered it. It usually looks like this. But I covered it with some, I don't even know what it's called, but I covered it with this marble type stuff. And on my desk, I just have like Spartan coasters, you know, like pencils, everything like that. I have this vanity mirror, which I actually made myself. My bed looks so cute. Like, wow. Okay. So yeah, then I just have all my notebooks and my, I guess it was just a bunch of mail that I kind of just put there. I just haven't thrown it away yet. Then I have my bear, and then my card that I got for Valentine's Day. And then I have this little thing. It's actually super cute. So yeah, and then I just have lotion and a bunch of random stuff, you know, whatever. So yeah, that's this area. Anyway, then I just have my microwave, you know, not really that great. Then I have my fridge, which is covered in pictures of me and my friends, and all my pageant family, and my dad and me when I was little. And then more pictures, and this is just a random dog. It's not my dog. Sorry to that man.
But, you know, whatever. And then I just have an empty fridge because, like I said, I'm moving out, so I really don't have anything except for these oranges. But let me just say, okay, these oranges, like, if you're not into these, like, I don't know if they're oranges, but whatever it is, they bang, and that's just that. Okay. So yeah, that's my fridge. I just think it's so cute. I'm gonna just, you know, show off my friends for y'all real quick. See, look at me and my prime. We love to see it, y'all. Wow. All right.
Moving on, I just have my TV on the stand, and then I have this rug down here. It's super fuzzy. I just thought it was cute, so it wasn't just empty right there. I have my fan, and then my TV, which loves to put pictures of whatever it wants. So yeah, and then over here I just have my couch. In the middle I just have this furry rug. It's actually really cute. It's actually 2 rugs, and I got them from Amazon, and I thought it matched perfectly with like my futon and the pillows and everything like that. So yep. Then up here I just have my hair straightener, and then I have my collection of candles, and then I have my steamer, and then a pineapple and coconut. If you know what that's from, then you know what it's from, but I don't think I need to explain. Anyway, and then I have my, I don't know what to call this. I guess it's like a board, but I just put my favorite Bible verse on it, and then behind it I just have like my jewelry. So like, you know, good little hiding spot. But anyway, I have down here, I just have a bunch of decoration, knickknacks type stuff. A whoopee cushion, I don't know why. A speaker. Like, it's actually really cute to me, I don't know. Down here, I just have snacks that I never eat. I have Girl Scout cookies, like, y'all. Oh my gosh. And then here, I just have like Ziploc bags and cups and all that stuff, plates, everything that I need. I like have 2 bins under there. Like that one is like hair stuff, and then there's one over there that's like all my cleaning stuff. So okay, so that's the bottom of my bed. And then the top, I have this cute little table, and I have all my like, you know, remotes and stuff. I also have these lights. My room, like if you turn them, they kind of just do their own thing. I got them from Amazon. So yeah. And then my headboard, which I got from, I don't even know, my silk pillow, all that stuff. And then I have 2 posters that my friends made me for my pageant. And obviously a poster of Tupac in the middle, because you know me, then you know I don't even have to explain. And I just have my back pillow and my blanket. I have 2 more blankets right here. And then I just have a chest with, I'm not gonna open it, it just has like suitcases and stuff in it. Then you come here and I have this, sorry I look a mess, but and then I have a double mirror in the middle because I thought that would be cute, and it actually turned out really nice. So yeah. Then the last thing to show is just my closet. So I put just 2 curtains, which are actually the same as those curtains. Just 2 curtains over, and when you open it, just have my clothes, my hamper, which is where all my clothes are, like literally, and there's stuff behind the hamper, like it's crazy. I haven't, like, it's just bad. But anyway, I have my shower caddy and my shower shoes and mouthwash and stuff. And then I just have this like 3 drawer thing where I just keep like all my hair stuff and like girl stuff. And then here is washcloths. I usually have way more, but like I said, everything's in there. And then this one usually just has my towels for after I shower, but like I said, it's bad, guys. It's really bad. One thing about my closet is just like I have these jean racks, and these ones don't look full, but these 2 on the end, like I literally have like 10 pairs of pants on each of these, and that's what saved me so much room. So I suggest buying these. Here I just have this wall art of one of my favorite Bible verses, and then I just have my mirror, and then in this I just have like hair ties, and then like chapstick, and then this is kind of like just random. My little thing of jewelry. Sorry, I look a mess, y'all. I can't. And then I just have my favorite candle right now. I always have a candle burning, so yep. And I think I just blew it out with my hot breath, like, oops. Anyway, so here I just have my, what do I call this? Smell good stuff, and then more smell good stuff. Then I just have my drawers. I'm not really gonna go in here. This is like, you know, underwear and stuff. It's just like random clothes. But anyway, one thing I want to point out is that I have like paper down, and I can't lift it up, but it's usually like just like wood under here. But I thought it was cute to add the little marble thing. And then here, there's more t-shirts, but I did the same thing. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my dorm tour. If you have any questions about like dorm life or any of the stuff I have in my room, just DM me, because I'm pretty sure I can figure out where I got it if you want it like really bad. My dorm looks way better at night, so I'll make sure to insert some clips of that, and yeah.